Welcome back everyone. So we'll continue our lectures. Today we are going to study about division of Nepal on the basis of climate. The climate of Nepal can be divided into five categories on the basis of geographical formation and altitudes. The first one is subtropical monsoon climates. Being called subtropical or and arid, this type of climate is found in the Tarai, Wavar, Doon and Churi areas of to the altitude of 12,000 meters, that is 4,000 feet. The temperature reaches up to 38 to 40 degrees centigrade in the summer while it comes down to 50 to 5 degrees centigrade in the winters. The monsoon air coming from the Bay of Bengal of Indian Ocean causes rainfall in the monsoon. The rainfall generally decreases when it goes from east to west and increases when it goes from north to south, and thus the western Terai is hotter than the eastern Terai. This is very hot mainly in the Terai region including Bhairava, Nepalganj and Kailali. Likewise, it is very hot places in inner Terai like Dang and Suruket. So the second one is warm temperate climate. So this type of climate found at the altitude of 12,000 to 2,100 meters, that is 4,000 to 7,000 feet of the Churi and Mahabharata range, is warm in the summer, Grisham, and cold in the winter season. In the summer season, the temperature rises up to 24 to 31 degrees centigrade and it comes down to 0 degrees centigrade in the winter seasons. Since the rainwater monsoon's air flows from south, there is a rainfall of 250 centimeter in the south slope and whereas the rainfall in the northern slope is 100 centimeters. The third one is cool temperate climate found at the altitude of 2100 to 3350 meters, that is 7000 to 11,000 feet of the Mahabharata mountain range. The climate of this region is warm in the summer and very cold in the winter. The temperature reaches to 50 degree centigrade to 20 degree centigrade and comes down to 0 degree centigrade in the winter. There's rainfall is 10 centimeter in the monsoon and snowfalls occurs in the winter. Due to the low temperature and less rainfall, there is a little farming here. Although the human life is difficult in this region, this type of climate is regarded as suitable for the health. So alpine climate is the fourth one. The cold climate is found in Nepal at altitude of 3,350 to 5,000 meters, that is 11,000 feet to 60,000 feet. In the Himalayan region is called alpine climate. The climate in this region rises up to 10 degrees centigrade in the month of Chaitra, Baishakh and Jet, while another time it's about for 9 months of the year remains below 0 degrees centigrade. The rainfall during the monsoon in this region is up to 30 millimeter and there is no farming here, but the region is suitable for cattle raising as there are large Himalayan pasture lands and for carrying out the tourism activities. So the last one is tundra climate. The coldest and the dry climate of the Himalayan region is called polar or tundra climate. This is usually continuous snowfall in this region and the snow falls as a rainfall. Since the temperature in this land over 5,000 meter, that is above 16,000 feet, is below 0 degree centigrade, the snow storm occurs after the afternoon. The climate of this region is also called Himalayan desert climate. So thank you. So we'll meet in the next class. Bye.